Unraveling the Mystery of Dye Remover, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, dye remover. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can enhance your English skills. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two words, dye and remover. Dye. A dye is a substance used to change the color of something, like fabric or hair. It's often used in fashion and beauty. Remover. This word means something that takes away, eliminates, or gets rid of another thing. So, when combined, dye remover refers to a product or substance that removes the color added by a dye. Dye remover can be used in various contexts, but most commonly in two areas. 1. Fashion and textiles. Here, it is used to remove dye from fabrics. Maybe a clothing item was dyed the wrong color, and now it needs to be brought back to its original state. 2. Hair and beauty. In beauty, it's often used to remove hair dye. For instance, if someone doesn't like their new hair color, they might use a dye remover to get rid of it. To help you understand better, let's look at some example sentences. 1. I accidentally dyed my shirt red, so now I need a dye remover to fix it. 2. She didn't like her hair color, so she bought a dye remover from the store. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a solution to a problem related to unwanted color. It's also useful to know some related phrases or synonyms. Color remover, often used interchangeably with dye remover. Stain remover. This is more general and can refer to removing any kind of stain, not just dye. And that's a wrap on dye remover. I hope this video has made the meaning and use of this phrase clear. Remember, understanding such specific phrases can significantly improve your English.